Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are safe and well. In today's lesson, we are going to practice ordering numbers up to 499. Look at these two sets. They represent three-digit numbers. This set has three hundreds, 110, and three ones. The number is 313. This set represents the number 125 because it has 100, two tens, and five ones. Now I'm going to compare these two numbers using greater than or less than. When we compare three-digit numbers, we should look at the hands places first. In this number, we have digit 3 in the hands place, and in this number we have digit 1 in the hundreds place. 3 is greater than 1, so 313 is greater than 125. Let's see another example. This set has three hundreds, two tens, four ones. The number is 324. This set has four hundreds, four tens, and one one. The number is 441. As we learned, to compare these numbers, we should look at the hands places. In this place, we have 3, and here in the hands place we have 4. 3 is less than 4, so we can say 324 is less than 441. 324 is less than 441. Now it's your turn. I want you to compare each pair of numbers using greater than or less than. In each box here we have two numbers. I want you to use greater than, less than to compare them. As I told you, should look at the hands places and compare the hands places first. In case you have the same value in the hands places, you can move and compare the tens. Now let's see your answers. Great. All your answers are correct. But I am going to pick only two answers to read them. 345 is greater than 196. 118 is less than 423. Now we have another activity. In this activity, we have some given numbers, and you are going to write what comes right before this number and what comes right after the given number. 415. What comes right before 415? What comes right after 415? 143. Right before, right after. 387. Right before, right after. 256. Right before, right after. Let's see your answers. Great. All your answers are correct. Let's read the first one. 414, 415, 416. 414 comes right before 415. 416 comes right after 415. Now, in this activity, we have some given numbers and we should write what is or what comes between these given numbers. What comes between these two given numbers? 441, 443. What comes between 441 and 443? 368, 370. What comes between these two numbers? Let's see your answers. Great students. 442 comes between 441 and 443. 369 comes between 368 and 370. Great job. Now, this is our last activity, but it is the most challenging one. We have some given numbers and we are going to arrange them from the smallest to the greatest. So now we are going to compare all these numbers. 398, 413, 454, 127, 299, 175. Oh, here we have two numbers has the same value in the has place. Which one is the smallest? Let's move to the tens and compare the tens. Great, 127 is the smallest number and 127 is smaller than 175 because it has 2 in the tens place while this number has 7 in the tens place. Now we have arranged these numbers from the smallest to the greatest. 127, 175, 299, 398, 413, 454. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. See you next lesson. Goodbye.